Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block multiple friends on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just go ahead and open up our Snapchat application right here, and let's click on your profile icon or your Snapchat Bitmoji at the top left corner, like that, and let's just scroll down a bit, and you should be able to see the friends section, and under that is the My Friends list. So let's click on that, and this should show all your friends right here on a list. And when we click on this three-dotted icon, you will only be able to see the option is see recently added friends, and there's actually no block option. So Snapchat does not have a direct option to block multiple friends in by bulk. So like that. So what we're going to do is to only do this one by one. So for example, I'm going to block this certain user right here. Just press and hold on that specific Snapchat friend and click on manage friendship and just click on a block. Just click on block again, and that is how you can block someone on Snapchat, and you just have to do that on all of your friends or on multiple friends, unfortunately. So that is how you can basically block multiple friends on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.